Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a close look at Edubuntu 26.04 LTS, codenamed Resolute Raccoon. This is the latest education-focused version of Ubuntu, built specifically for schools, teachers, students, and homeschooling parents. Edubuntu is an official Ubuntu flavor that comes packed with hundreds of free educational applications right from the start. Instead of spending hours installing software, you get a ready-to-use learning environment focused on subjects like math, science, programming, geography, and more. It's completely free, privacy-friendly, and supported until April 2029. So what's new in Edubuntu 26.04? This release brings GNOME 50 with smoother animations, better gesture support, and a fresh new teal accent color that gives it a clean, modern educational feel. The biggest improvements come in the administration tools. The Edubuntu Menu Administration tool has been completely rewritten, making it much easier for teachers and admins to manage software by age groups and subjects. You can now easily control what students can access, including disabling the terminal for younger users. Installation is also smoother with the new Edubuntu Installer. Out of the box, you'll find excellent educational software like GCompris for young kids, Scratch and GDevelop for coding, Tux Paint, LibreOffice, Celestia, Stellarium, and many more. The software is neatly organized by age and category, which is a huge help for teachers managing computer labs. In terms of performance, Edubuntu 26.04 feels very polished. On my mid-range laptop with an Intel i5 and 16 GB RAM, it booted in around 20 seconds and ran smoothly with good battery life. It handles older hardware reasonably well, though I recommend at least 6 GB of RAM for the best experience. The switch to full Wayland also brings better security and smoothness. Who is Edubuntu 26.04 perfect for? It's excellent for schools, educational institutions, computer labs, and homeschooling setups. It's also great for students who want to learn Linux while having access to powerful educational tools. However, if you need an extremely lightweight system, you might prefer Ubuntu. The ISO size is also quite large at around 4.5 to 5 GB. Overall, Edubuntu 26.04 is a very strong release. The improved admin tools and better software organization make it much more practical for real classroom use. I'm giving it a solid 9.2 out of 10. If you're a teacher, parent, or student looking for a free and powerful educational operating system, Edubuntu 26.04 is definitely worth trying. Download link is in the description below. What do you think? Have you used Edubuntu before? Let me know your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Linux content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.